going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. So far, it's been pretty good. Yesterday, I was able to catch, some pretty one pretty good trade. I'm gonna say about 35 points. I don't know if you guys noticed, but yesterday, of course, banks were closed. It was a bank holiday. Um, so there wasn't anything to really expect yesterday. Yet we still managed to get some ideas out there. But nothing crazy. You know what I mean? So hopefully today can make up, for the day lost yesterday with the banks being closed. But so far from what I'm seeing, nothing too crazy yet in the market. It's looking a little bit choppy. There's no direction yet. So I've been here sitting for about 30 minutes just waiting for a trend to form, hoping that it forms before I start the live. But hey, you know what I mean? Here, let me go ahead and start this live here on Discord. There you go. But yeah, hopefully we can get some sort of trend today. Yo, what is going on, guys? Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's going on? Here, let me go ahead and start up the screen share real quick. There we go. But yeah, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I've been sitting here for the last 30 minutes just hoping that we can get some sort of trend. So far there's nothing has been happening. The volume has been pretty decent. I'm not gonna say it's volatile, but I'm not gonna say it's slow. The one thing that we don't have is definitely a trend. You know what I mean? Still no trend here in the market. But hey, at least we're on live, right? And I want to wait for a lot more people to join up, because you know what I mean. I have some stuff to share with you guys with the bootcamp. I finally started working on it. And the first video I'm looking to post it today. I just gotta work on some thumbnails and stuff. So that should take a few minutes. But yeah, what is going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. So far, I hate to say it, but the market. I've been peeping you guys in the chat talking about the possible chop here and there. And yeah, today's market so far, at least, it hasn't been the fastest. Let's just say that. And I already have my friends in the group chat here, my trader friends, talking about the price today. So yeah, so yeah. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Are we doing good? I ain't quitting my school with this market, bro. Tell me about it, bro. But yeah, guys. So far, what the game plan is right now, guys, is so far okay, we're sandwiched in between two levels right now, right? So far, there's two really strong levels, or at least we're in between two strong levels of liquidity right now. All right, we need elections right now, bro. Tell me about it, bro. We need that shit right now, man. We're 15 days away, or about 20ish days away. So, hopefully we stay alive for those 20 days. But anyways, guys. Guys. So right now we're currently sandwiched in between two levels. We're talking about 20,666, and we're talking about 20,563.50. Right now, these two levels of liquidity are pretty strong levels of liquidity that I'm looking to take out. I want to see one get taken out. Now, if we're looking more towards the upside, we have a lot more levels rather than the downside. Because to the upside, right above 666, we have 680, and right above that, we have 691.25. Right? So, if you guys go on the higher time frame, obviously you guys can see the levels that I'm talking about. Right now, it looks a little bit slow because we're still waiting on a trend to form. We'll see if that even wants to form. You know what I mean? But if we could take out 666, we could probably take something out as well, or get some sort of an MSS forming right there. Now, if you go a little bit more back, you guys can see that yeah, we have some more liquidity here at 680 right here. And if you guys go a little bit more back here, you guys would also notice that we have some more liquidity really far away, actually. How far away is this? Okay, yeah, right here. We have some more liquidity here at 691, and right above 691 we don't have anything massive until 846. Right? So these are the three levels I'm mainly looking to the upside. We're pretty close to it. The only problem with this is just that the market volume is really slow right now. I mean, we literally don't even have a trend forming as we're speaking. You know what I mean? So I'm really hoping soon we can at least take out maybe the level to the downside or even to the upside. I don't care what direction we take out, as long as we take out one direction and we're able to kind of like get some sort of a trend to form off of that level sweep, we can for sure get a trade for today. And I really want to give you guys a trade for today because I know lately I haven't been able to give you guys anything, not as much as I usually do, which of course I don't really have any control over. I rather not give you guys anything rather than give you guys something bad, you know what I mean? So is nothing even moved during the New York Open? Yeah, I kind of agree with you. I kind of agree with you on that one. I was really hoping we could take out something. We were really close to taking out 666, and we just never took it out. Right, we were like 10 points away. Not even 10 points. We were like what, like 8 points, maybe 8, 7 points away. Why do you think the market has been so bad? In my opinion, I think with election day, you know, and all that stuff being right around the corner, I guess investors are a little bit too scared, you know, to buy into to invest into stuff, causing the market to not really move. Other than that, I don't know what else it could be. I mean, we've had FOMC, we've had CPI, we've had all of this stuff, and so far nothing has happened. Even with multiple CPIs, even with multiple FOMCs, even with multiple NFPs, even with anything, the market just does not want to trend. I don't know why. If you guys go on the daily time frame, I would say the daily time frame is a lot more choppier. Yeah, I mean, just look at the daily time frame. We've been chopping up for the last, you know, a while. So it's been pretty hard, because lately the market that we were really making money with for the 2 months was in this market right here, and it was in this market and a little bit of this, and then, you know, one day we just woke up and the trades just stopped coming through. You know what I mean? And then we've been dealing with this type of chop on the daily time frame, right? So, my opinion, I would say it's more of maybe an election day type of fear. I don't know. That's the thing that makes sense to me. So that's what I'm saying it is. But here, let me go ahead and start. Let me go ahead and go over to my YouTube real quick. But yeah, I'm really hoping I can give you guys some sort of content for today. I want to give you guys, you know, some trades, and you know, because I haven't been able to give you guys anything. I mean, I don't think anyone has been able to give you guys anything at all, because I mean, this market has just been untradeable lately, right? But hopefully today stuff changes. You know what I mean? That's what I'm thinking. Election, yeah, I think so too. I think so too. You've been cash for weeks. I have been too. I actually missed the last payout period just because I couldn't get the days through. I really couldn't. I couldn't get the days through with the payout. I mean, I have enough, but I can't request because I don't have the 10 days. I can't put out trades. You know what I mean? So I've been waiting. Hopefully, actually the payout period for Apex opened up today. Matter of fact. So I'm pretty sure if I get this today traded, I can request a payout, but we'll see. If it's nothing crazy, then I just won't force it out. You know, there's no point in me forcing out anything. We're gonna request. Yeah, bro, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. I'm sure November is gonna be a really good month for trading. Really good month. It's just the pre-election hype, I guess. You know, investors are scared to put money into the market and stuff, which causes volume to not move, of course. Right? Now, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are sending the message that Apex sent out yesterday. Right? Now, they have not changed yet. They changed on the 1st of November, actually. It says it there in the email. But yeah, this type of news is major. It's huge, guys. It's huge. So what's it called? It's not applied yet. It's gonna be applied, like I said, on the 1st of November. So yeah. But for those that don't know, guys, for those that trade with Apex, I don't know if you guys saw the announcement yesterday. I put it out about, I think, 2 times. But Apex is making some huge changes to the payout thing, which will allow us to get way faster payouts whenever we want, which is huge, guys. We don't have to wait for the 1st or the 15th of the month anymore. All we need to do is trade for 8 days, get the profit target, and boom, we have the money straight in our bank account. You know what I mean? So what about depositing money? You do not deposit money to Apex, bro. You can only withdraw money from Apex. Yeah. But yeah, no, guys. With the payout period, guys, it's gonna be huge. You guys do not understand how major this is. It probably doesn't sound all that crazy when you guys are reading it through the email, but I promise you guys, all you need to do now, guys, hear me out. All you need to do is, hold on. Oh, guys, all you need to do is literally trade for 8 days, and boom, you have $2,000 in your account. Well, of course, if you hit the profit target. You know what I mean? But yeah, so now you don't have to wait for any payout window. The payout window is open forever now. You don't have to wait for a certain date to request. That's it. You can request whenever you want, which is amazing. Yes, the 30% rule still applies. Yes. And then on top of that, all you have to do, instead of trading for 10 days, which is not anything major, but hey, it's 2 free days, you know what I mean? Now all you have to do is trade for 8 days, and boom. So all you have to do is place a trade for maybe like a week. You know, a week, and then on a Monday, you request a payout, pretty much. No, they do not ask for the videos anymore. That was just a one-time thing. Cause I guess they're testing something out. But no, they don't do that anymore. Geekshaw, you got your drawn liquidity. I understand. But want to see it live. It's just highs and lows that I marked out. So it's like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, stuff like that. It's just highs and lows that the market created before the push up. But right now, guys, I'm speechless. Like, I don't even know why this is chopping up. But hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Someone's already saying PM session. Man, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Yeah, probably. It's looking like it, man. It's looking like it, unfortunately. I just don't know why the market has been chopping up so much. By the way, guys, guys, now there's about 261 people in here. Guys, I finally started the boot camp, guys. So today, more than likely, I already edited the video. I did everything. I will be posting the first boot camp video today, and then today I'm gonna work on the next one, and tomorrow I'm gonna work on the next one, and so on, guys. But yeah, you guys don't understand the amount of value I'm gonna be putting out there. And I talked about it in the video. I don't want to spoil too much about it, but the first video is more of like an introduction where I talk to you guys face to face. You know what I mean, and just talk to you guys about just trading and life. You know what I mean? Because I feel like that's something that you guys need to understand. It's not just the charts all the time and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I wanted to post it yesterday at night, but I still have to work on the thumbnail and all that stuff. So it's in the works. That's in the works. So it'll definitely be out sometime today during the afternoon session, or not session. During the afternoon. My bad. I'm just so caught up with trading. But yeah, guys, I got you with the thumbnail. Hey, if you could, but that'll be amazing. It's going on YouTube. Yeah, for completely free. I'm gonna be helping out you guys out with learning a little bit more about literally everything about trading. It's psychology, emotions, risk management, strategy, everything, bro, everything. Nah, bro, you never catch me putting up those thumbnails, bro. But alright, guys, we're starting to get some breakouts here. We finally broke the New York low that we created at 9:30. So let's see what we can do from there. Hopefully it's not just some random sell off with the pump up again. Morning, hey bro, what's up, bro? Hey, it's nothing new, man. It's nothing new. Nothing new. Now, for the people waiting for the Apex sale, what's it called? I feel like it's gonna come soon, really soon. I don't know when. I wish I could tell you guys, but I really can't because, of course, I don't work for Apex. Like I always say. But it should be coming out soon with Apex releasing huge news like this. What's an Apex sale? It's just that the accounts are what's it called? The accounts are, bro. Keep the shit out of the chat, bro. The accounts are just what's it called? Discounted for about 80-90%. I don't know how much. But yeah, I mean it's in the name, bro. An Apex sale. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys. But yeah. So far in the markets, nothing's going on. But we'll see. We'll see. They do usually have an 80% off. They usually have an 80% off all the time, yeah. But they took it out for some reason. I guess they took it out to build hype around the news that they're releasing, which is a pretty good marketing strategy. People read the news, people talk about it all over Twitter, people are hyped about this news, and then when the news about it, or when the updates about it come out with Apex, boom, they put out a 90% off or an 80% off or whatever off, you know what I mean? And everyone buys it. So it's more of a marketing type of strategy. So yeah. And right now, we're getting some sort of a sell-off. I don't think it's a 40-point sell-off. It could be though. I mean, this candle closes in 2 minutes. So yes, doesn't really seem to be doing anything major here. It's probably headed towards drawn liquidity down here. Which we actually have a really nice level here at 902. But hopefully NQ can hold down a little bit, you know, at least into like the high 570s. We should be able to get a sell off that if we get that sell off right there. Because what we're looking for here is just 9 points more of a sell off. Do we get it? I don't know. Honestly, it's looking a little bit indecisive right now. So hopefully we can get it. But yeah. Let's see. Yes, everything is looking pretty weak right now, which is a really good sign. Come on, let's get this 40 points. I'm pretty sure we just got it already. Oh, just barely. But it's fine, even if we don't get it. Now, all we need to do is, of course, just hold down this candle. We should be good. Hey, what's up, Professor? What's up, bro? Good morning to you, bro. But yeah. Hopefully we can get one more sell-off in this last minute that we have here in the market. Yes, it's about to take out liquidity. So hopefully it's not a major reversal here. Actually, if ES takes out liquidity, I would want NQ to take out liquidity, because what we could do here, guys, matter of fact, is okay. We have the fair value gap, right? Yeah, we have a fair value gap, 44 points, right? Of course, that's if we hold down this candle. But what we could do here, guys, is now that ES is taking out liquidity down here, which is actually a really, really nice level of liquidity, right? And Q is about to take out liquidity at 563. What we could do here is we can go ahead and take out liquidity, form some sort of a sweep here, get the MSS, and we simply just inverse this fair value gap and target the liquidity above, which is actually 3 levels above. Hey, what's up, Viv? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, so far, honestly, that game plan does not sound too bad at all. But let's see. Come on, let's hold this down a little bit more. If we can hold this down, which we should be able to. I mean, I would hope ES takes out liquidity. I mean, it was 2 ticks away. NQ is definitely looking a lot stronger right now, as it's not waking up with ES. But let's see. Okay, so we just closed this candle right here, which is amazing. Now all we need, of course, all we need to do is this fair value gap won't be too useful until we take out 563, which we're about 10 points away, which shouldn't be anything crazy, right? So what we could do here, guys, is we can go ahead and mark out this fair value gap just like that, which it looks pretty big, but it shouldn't be anything crazy, right? Yeah, 48 points. Now, we need to take out liquidity, though. We really need to. If not, we can't really make too much out of this setup. And we also need ES to, of course, take this low out as well. So, yeah. Let's see. Like I said, NQ looks a lot weaker than ES. I mean, yeah, NQ wants to break these lows. So, let's see if we can finally take out 563 here. And of course, once we take out 563, we want to see what sort of reaction we get off of this. Okay, how do I calculate my stop loss with micros? Here. Use this website right here. Here it is. All right, let's see if we can take it out. Okay, boom. Okay, we just took out liquidity, right? So now we have the setup valid, right? Now the question is, can we hold above this level of liquidity now that we took it out, or do we want to go lower into 525, right? Which I would hope not, but if that's what the market wants to do, then you know. So here, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and write down this commentary really quick. Coming into time frame. This was what low was this? It was London low, right? Yeah, London low. Start seeing buyers. Buyers are trying to step in here, guys, so it's a beautiful sweep that we're getting here. Let's see, buyer. Created a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, so let me go ahead and write down the game plan here on the chart so I can, so I can show you guys literally everything right here. Okay, so what we have here is going to be, we want to go ahead and hopefully we can hold above this level. I'm really hoping we can, so we can have a fast day to ourselves. So okay, so we have London low, right? We have London low DOL, right? Without having London low drawn liquidity, we want to look for a sweep right here, right? Look for a sweep around this range, right? If we can manage to get the sweep, we want to go ahead and look to inverse this fair value gap, right? You guys know the usual game plan, right? We take a liquidity, we inverse, boom, right? Look to inverse this FVG, and then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and target liquidity above. It's as simple as that, right? Let me see. Look to take out DOL above, just like that. So this is what we're looking for, guys. This is the current game plan right now. This fair value gap is about to close in 20 seconds, so we should be good for a nice fair value gap. All we need now is, now that we have the setup, all we need is the buyers to step in for the confirmation, and boom, we just inverse it, just like that, guys. Hopefully buyers can step in really strong, because that is what we would want to see. But alright, now that we finally have a setup here, let me go ahead and write up the alert just in case, you know, it plays out really quick. So it will be NQ longs. Not yet, guys. I'm just writing down the alert here. Hopefully, I'm really hoping we can sweep really soon, like just instantly. You know what I mean? If we want to go a little bit below it, 525 type of low. But yeah, if sellers want to keep playing around this low for a little bit, you know, just wait for that. It's totally fine. It will be totally fine to get the actual entry that we would want to see here. Right, so the levels, if we were to take longs here, guys, the levels that we would want to look for would be this high. The thing is, there's a few highs up here. I'll probably just target the lowest high. So we would want to target, I know sellers are stepping in right now, it's fine. Don't even worry about that for a second. So we would want to target 657. We want to go ahead and target 20,666.75, 20,680, and 20,691.25. Now, like I said, just because we're selling off does not mean anything. It's totally normal when it comes to this. What this shows, guys, here, let me go and delete all of this. Guys, when we have a sell-off like this, it's just showing that sellers want this to go lower. But as we keep going lower and you guys start seeing more buying wicks come in, that just shows that buyers are really trying to step in and give you that extra confirmation. So if anything, breaking below these lows and having a sell-off like this is actually a better confirmation, because it gives you more of an idea or more room for buyers to step in and tell you that they want to step in. You know what I mean? So you guys see this wick right here that we're getting? This is what we want to see, because now it's telling us that buyers are trying to step in when sellers are trying to sell this off, right? So it's giving us more of a confirmation that we would want to see here into the upside, right? So of course, all we need here is, we're still waiting for the sweep, right? So all we need now is a sweep. You know, we start creating the MSS as we go higher into this fair value gap. You know, we start creating higher highs, higher lows, and we should be good for a nice setup on the way up, right? But we need to see, right? Because we, like I said, we need to hold around this range. It's fine if we go a little bit lower, as long as we don't go too low. Too low, we'll be good, right? So that's the current game plan right now, guys. That is the current game plan right now, right? But so far, I'm gonna say everything is looking pretty good so far, at least so far. All we need now is the sweep confirmation. Once we start seeing a lot of buyers step in, we should be good for you know, the setup confirmation. All right, guys. But yeah, is MSS the same as BOS? Not really. No, breakup structure is, you know, when the market is structuring, like creating a roof and a floor. That's the way I think of it, and it just breaks above the structure, right? For me, MSS is just the market structure shifting, right? So, you know what I mean? If the market is creating lower highs and lower lows and stuff like that, it's a bearish trend. And then, you know, when we take out liquidity and we start creating higher highs and higher lows, that's an MSS, right? So it's kind of, you can consider a BOS somewhat in there, but it's not completely a breakup structure. But yeah, hopefully we can really hold above this level for a little bit longer to get the confirmation there. When I say we have room to go lower, we probably do, maybe at least into 525. I don't really see us going anything, you know. I don't really see us going to the 400 range. I would hope not, because the setup that we have now it's a perfect setup in my eyes. I mean, we have so much room to go higher, and we have the setup for it. All we need now is just a sweep, and we're good, right? Yeah, I will, Supreme. Don't even worry about it, bro. I'm literally putting everything in the videos that I'm putting out. Yes, never took out the lower low. Did it not? Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, yeah. If anything, yeah, we could just wait for that then. Thing is, if ES falls, NQ's gonna fall even harder, because NQ's the weak one here. So that's not something I would want to see. That is not something I would want to see. That's not something I would want to see. But hey, if we have to get it, sure. We just have to be extra patient for the setup. You know what I mean? Right now, the thing is, I don't want to push up 100 points for one setup. Right? We're already 65 points away from the entry, so hopefully we can get some sort of a move up. But yeah, you guys are right. We need to take out liquidity on ES because that's something that could hold us down for a little bit. I mean, if we want to reverse, there's been times where the market has reversed. You know what I mean? There's been times where the market has reversed without taking out liquidity, so that could also happen. But the chances are more towards taking out liquidity rather than not taking it out. An image of an MSS versus VP. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. But first, when I start the bootcamp, I'm gonna focus more on beginners, like, you know, getting them started and all stuff, because I want everyone to have the same amount of knowledge to it. I'm not gonna start, you know, just with my strategy, because that's not gonna make too much sense for everyone. So I'm either gonna start from beginner to, you know, more experienced to super experienced in a way, right? So you want buyers to step into the fair value gap? No. I don't want to enter sells. No, I want to enter longs. I don't want to enter sells at all. Because we already took out liquidity, so in my eyes, we kind of already did all the stuff to the downside. So now that we took out liquidity and we want to start seeing an MSS around this range, right? What we want to do is tap into this fair value gap and actually inverse this fair value gap to then take longs and target liquidity 1, 2, 3, 4 above, right? But the thing is, we need to hold above this level. That is the problem there, right? So we need to hold above that. If we keep breaking these lows, it's not going to look the best. Like I said, we could go lower because of ES, but it's not something I would want to see, you know what I mean, for the setup, because the lower we go, the longer it's going to take to even get the setup. That's even if we get the setup. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, we're about to break this low right here. Let's see. ES is actually getting a little bit weaker than NQ here. Buyers want to step in on NQ, and it makes sense because we took out liquidity, right? But ES wants to go a little bit lower just to get this liquidity down here. So let's see if we can take that out. And we should have all the reason in the world to start expecting buyers to step in. Are you gonna include the step to get funded on your bootcamp? Yeah, I will. Alright, so let's see. We're about to take out. We're like what, like 3 ticks away. But the thing is, with ES going down, it's gonna worry me with NQ. That's the problem that I don't want to see. Because guys, like I said, the lower we go on NQ, the more we have to wait, and the more buyers we need to actually inverse this fair value gap, and it would just ruin our setups. You know what I mean? Or our entry, because, you know, I mean, buyers stepped in already so much down here. Why would they want to step in up here? But we'll see. Hopefully we can bounce up. I don't even care about the sweep all that much, because NQ already took it out. But let's see. You guys can obviously see here that buyers are trying to step in really nice. I mean, we have 3 really nice buying wicks, so eventually we're gonna get some seller exhaustion. Once you get that seller exhaustion, buyers should be able to step in really nice, and then we should go from there. Right? That's a big if, though. That's a big if. I'm used to options, which was calls and puts. But here, if I want to buy a put for 2 accounts, you'll click sell. Yes, you would click sell. Yeah. And then for longs or for calls, it will be longs. Yes, sir. But guys, hopefully we get some seller exhaustion right now. It seems like we're getting it as this candle finally flipped from red to green. We're seeing the first green candle in like 20 minutes. So we'll see. Hopefully this holds up really well. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna go get water real quick. I know the joke, yeah, but I literally need to go get water because I'm dying here by talking a lot. So I'll be back. Hold up. Yo, what is this sell-off? No! Bro, what did I come back to? Bro, what is this? No. Bro, it's literally only when I get water. Like what? Bro, what? What? I mean, we took out 525 and we created a fair value gap, so it's not a big deal. But man, what? Bro, isn't this a good thing in a way? Yeah. But bro, I literally walked away with us having so many sellers. Why did sellers step in so strong? Bro, what is this? Bro, it's only when I step away from my computer. It's always when I step away. Bro, that is insane. Anyways, guys, okay. It's not a bad thing, though. It's really not all that bad. Why do I say it's not bad? Alright, here's why. Right? So, right here, we're taking out more levels of liquidity to the downside. So, of course, guys, as the market goes lower and lower and lower, the more levels of liquidity that we take out, the weaker sellers seem to get. Ideally. Right? So, now that we took out 525 and now that we're about to take out 497, right? These are two extra levels that we can take out and expect more upside, right? So what do we do in this case? Well, what we could do in this case is go ahead and do something like this, right? We create the fair value gap just like this, right? 67 points, really nice value fair value gap. At least we have volume stepping in, you know what I mean? Boom, we just move this idea down to here and then we just target more price targets above, right? But why are we selling off so hard? Did something come out? Because this is not normal at all. Bro, like, I literally, I promise you guys, I walk away for 2 seconds and we just sell off. That, like, what? Yes, was at all-time high already? No, it wasn't. No. We haven't been at all-time high since, for a while. I mean, we are at all-time high, but we still have room to go higher. Thing is, that this much of a sell-off is not normal. I don't know why we got that. But guys, I mean, we'll just shift the idea more down, I guess. It's not a huge deal here. But what? Guys, I promise you, I stepped away for not even a minute. And we come down dumping 67 points. And I promise, I walked away with the green candle. I'm like, okay, we're about to get this nice sell-off. We're about to get everything perfect. And then it goes to shit. It goes to shit. We're back. Yeah, the banks. Yeah, the banks are definitely back, bro. Someone said we're inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. It's whatever. What's up with the fair value gap? So at 586.25. Not too bad. We just need to see strong buyers step in, which might take a little bit of a while. You're going to get the water as a key, bro. Apparently, shit. I thought it was a joke at first, and now every time I go get it, it's always something, bro. Wow, I just lost my funded. Oh damn, you were in a trade. Damn. No. What ended up happening, boys? You probably hit the trailing drawdown, bro. That's one thing about it. Bro, even on my YouTube, we haven't even sold off yet. Oh, wait, yeah, we have. I'll just delay it a little bit. There you go. Fair value up on the 15. I would rather take the 5. Like, damn. Now you mention it. We'll see. If we have extra confirmation, I'll probably just take the 5. So I can get that the earlier entry. Because the 5 is just as good as the 15. We took out 461, right? Yeah, we just did. Bro, why are we selling off so hard? What's going on? Video's dumping. That's why. I mean, boy, it would need a reason on why it's selling off. Why am I lagging? Psh, bro, I don't know. Don't ask me, bro. Ask my wife. I'm not lagging. My thing's at 21 ms. Yeah, it's at 21 ms. Look. Oh, never mind. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. I don't know. It's probably because I don't have Ethernet. I have to set that up. I'm just too lazy. Let me see. But yeah, I don't know why we're selling off so strong. Because we're creating fair value gaps after fair value gap now. Because we just created another one right here. 72 points. Which is crazy. Yeah, my thing, my thing is like, you know, FOMC member speaking, yellow folder. No, that's not gonna do absolutely nothing, like at all. That's not gonna do anything. But bro, what is going on, bro? We just keep taking out every level of liquidity to the downside. Like we don't even have a setup. Did they shoot the damn president? Apparently, bro. Like what? This is insane, bro. I'm gonna try to get something out of it, but man, why are we selling off? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not the one to ask, bro. Anyways, we get another fair value gap here, which I probably won't take. I would want to take the one above. What? How much room do you have to? Do we even have to go lower? I would say 383 is like the final one. I mean, can we even go lower below that? Why are we selling off so strong, bro? Let me see. Bank's earnings? No, that can't be it. No, that can't be it. There has to be something behind that. Love and prices. Yeah, bro. Krabby, are you in here, bro? Nah, he's not. He's in his own live trading. Bro, even Krabby is like, bro, like, where are the setups, bro? Bro, cause this is insane, bro. This is actually insane. We're just gonna keep taking on liquidity. Wow, man. If anything, let's at least get some sort of fair value gap retracement, because, like, bro, like, if we're gonna go down so much, at least give us an entry, you know? Like, I'm not gonna enter just because it's going down. Are you gonna take this 100-point fair value gap? I don't know yet. I have to see what we want to do here, because, like, what is this? You know? Want to bring some more water, bro? Do you have an indicator that makes all of the... No, I do them by myself. Bro, I can see the same thing, bro. You know what I mean? There was no setup. There was no entry anywhere. It just sold off. But let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna give the market some more, a few more minutes to see what it wants to do. If we want to keep going lower, I guess I'll just look for a fair value gap, retest. It all depends on the selling that we get, which obviously right now it's really strong. Maybe banks are taking out. That could be a good reason, yeah. But I mean, it would have to be kind of predictable. I mean, I'm sure we will be able to read it. This was more of a random sell-off, you know. Bro, Steph, that's amazing. It's just sold off like 250 points. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's see what type of reaction we get off of 383. The thing is, I would look for shorts because obviously we're selling off so strong, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna see how we react off of 383. If because we're creating another fair value gap, matter of fact, right? So okay, here's what we're gonna do here. All right. I'm going to look for a reaction off 383. If buyers try to step in strong here, I'm going to look for an inverse. If we have no buyers in sight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and look for a retracement into this fair value gap and just target the 300 levels below. Right, guys? Because this sell-off right here, it's not going to be easy to just reverse it out of nowhere. Right? It's not going to be that easy. Especially with us having literally 4 fair value gaps back to back to back to back. You know what I mean? It's not going to be that easy. Right, so like I said, I want to see a reaction off of 383. Depending on what type of reaction we get, hopefully buyers step in really nice. I'll look to take an inverse. If we get no buyers reactions, and we start getting more sellers, I'm gonna look to take some shorts off of any retracement that we could possibly get, and just target the 300 range, right? Because this type of sell-off right here is insane, and I you know what I mean? I mean, look at ES, bro. This thing's just a knife down, bro. Wow. Let me mark out this fair value gap right here, guys. I mean, hey, volatility. I guess, you know what I mean. It's either you know what I mean. It's either we get a setup one day but no volume, or we just don't get no setup or any setup, and we have the best volume in the world. Have you seen any fair values from the 1 minute? I don't like the 1 minute. It's not that stable, in my opinion, though. I just don't like it. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm gonna give the market a few more minutes, depending on how it reacts off of this level right here. If sellers want to hold below this, and if sellers want this to go lower, I'm gonna take a huge risk and just ride the sell off. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, with such a strong sell off like this, reversing it will be a pain. It's gonna take forever to reverse this. You know what I mean? Because sellers are in. Obviously, they're in complete control, right? There's no buyers in sight anywhere. There hasn't been a green candle since 7 in the morning, and it's 10:40, right? So, you know what I mean? It's not like buyers can be like, oh, okay, well, you know, time's up, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be like that. No, not at all. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this fair value gap right here. Although it's smaller than the rest, it could still play out in our favor, because it's an 88-point fair value gap, matter of fact. So yeah, it's a really nice fair value gap. But now the sellers are stepping in a lot stronger. What I want to see here is, depending on how strong buyers stepping into this candle, I'm going to see how we react off of this fair value gap. If we get a very, very nice sell-off off of this, I'm going to look to take shorts. I know it's risky because we already took out majority of the liquidity, but there is room to go lower below. And we're probably going to take that out before you even retrace. Which is not something I'm really hoping for. But okay, in the bright side of things, guys, is it because war news came out? I don't think so. I don't know. I'm not really looking at the news right now. I wouldn't say. I mean, I'm sure you guys would have told me. We're getting that retracement, bro. I know, I know. But okay, in the bright side of things, guys, usually when this type of sell-off happens, it kind of just holds volume throughout the entire day. So maybe going into PM session, we can try to catch some sort of a reversal. I don't know. Maybe. Hopefully. That's what usually tends to happen. So hopefully hopefully today is one of those days. But yeah, I would say we kind of have room into 314, you know, something like that for a quick scalp here and there. But let's see. Let's go ahead and see, guys. Let's go ahead and see. Right now, since sellers are so strong, I'm gonna look for a retracement off of this, and then for a nice sell-off back down, and then I guess I'll take some shorts. If not, you know, if we inverse this, I'll just look to inverse the one above. You know, just extra confirmation there. So we're pretty good on setups. We just need volume or price to kind of, you know, help us out a little bit there. Let me write this down real quick. So far, we're getting a nice red to green candle, which could signal a possible sweep. Although we're not above the 383 level yet. I'm gonna go ahead and see what we could work with off of that. You know. So let's see. I want to see how this rally gap reacts. If we get a very, very strong rejection, although we might get a pretty late entry, it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Volume is looking really good, so we shouldn't have an issue with that. Right, but we're finally breaking above this inverse. Or not inverse. We're finally breaking above, what's it called? The drawn liquidity. That's right, the drawn liquidity. Right, so what we want to see here is, can we even hold this for rally gap down? I mean, it's about to close, and this candle still has 2 minutes to it. Buyers are stepping in really nice, which is a really good sign. Really good sign, right? It's not something I was really expecting, of course, with such a massive sell-off. But let's see. Obviously, with this fair value, we're not even gonna bother with it anymore. But the thing that worries me now, guys, is even an inverse or a rejection is risky, right? Because an inverse is risky because sellers are in really, really strong control, and this could be just a small pullback, just like what it is right now. Right, but shorts is also risky because we took out majority of the liquidity below, and the market might not want to go any lower and just reverse all the way back up. So we're in a really, really bad spot right now. We can make money off this spot, but it's gonna be a risky type of you know, trade, I would say. But yeah. Honestly, bro, if anything, we can probably even inverse this. If you want to be the riskiest person ever, we can inverse this. You know? But just know that we're in whatever spot that we're in right now, it's looking really, really risky. And honestly, guys, it's a risk that I'm willing to take. Because if we can manage to catch the complete bottom of this market, we can make so much money today. So much money today. And it's what we need, because I mean, with the lack of trades that we've been able to catch lately, it's been a little bit hard. But guys, if we can manage to inverse this fair value, although it's small, that doesn't mean that it's not valid. We can still inverse that, and we can make something out of it. We can make something out of nothing. You know what I mean? I mean, this is literally nothing right here. just not interested. Like, as much as I would want to take shorts and take the risk, I'm just not interested in shorts. It's, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. This is not something I'm like dying to see here. Let's see. This thing's about to inverse literally soon, like in like 15 seconds. Soon. So here, let me write this out real quick just in case. So okay, this candle finally closed, right? Let's see what we do after this fair value gap. What I think I'm gonna take a risk here, guys. If you guys want to do it, risk me. Sure thing, you know what I mean. But this fair value gap is risky, but I think it's a risk that can really pay off, because if we can manage to get this inverse and we're correct on the inverse setup, we can make so much money off of this setup, because we're catching the absolute bottom and buyers are really stepping in here, right? The problem is going to be the stop loss, right? Because with price being so volatile, a 25-point stop loss is equivalent to like a 10-point stop loss in a choppy market, right? We can get stopped out in a few seconds. So that's the problem there, right? So here, let me go ahead and put this out real quick right here. Boom, just like that, right? Okay, so let's see. The thing is, I guess I'm gonna stay with a 25-point stop loss if we do get this inverse. Like I said, guys, this setup in my eyes is extremely risky. Like it can't get riskier than this, but it's a risk that if you take it, you can make so much money out of it, right? Because you're catching the absolute bottom of the market, and if you time it correctly, you can really make money. So if that's a risk that you guys are not willing to take, just don't take the setup. Just take the ones above, right? If that's a risk you guys want to take with me, fuck it, let's do it. You know what I mean? But yeah. But yeah, okay, buyers are stepping in really, really nice here, guys. So be ready for some sort of an entry around here. But like I said, it's a risk that I really, really want to take here. Like I said, it's a scary setup. It's a scary setup. It's definitely one of the scarier ones that we've taken. But like I said a million times, guys, if we can manage to catch this bottom right here, oh my, we're gonna make so much money. It's just, you know, I mean, buyers are stepping in so nice. I don't know if it's gonna be a retracement. I don't know what this is gonna be, but man, if we can manage to catch this inverse, will it be beautiful? Let me tell you guys, will it be beautiful? But let's see. Let's see. So far, we're inside of this fair value gap right now. We could reject off of it. Although it's small, we can still reject off of it. Because, you know, sellers can still be in control. This could be a small pullback. But hey, who knows? Who knows? Like I said, guys, a million times, if you guys don't want to risk this, just don't take it. You know, I don't want to hear any complaining. Because like I said a million times, this setup is risky as hell. But if you guys take this risk, it can really pay. Because you're getting, like, probably a perfect entry at the complete bottom. I'm gonna size lie on this one for sure. I'm not gonna risk it with all this volume coming in and with you know, us trying to send the bottom. I'm sizing lie on this for sure. But let's see. Come on, we're rejecting off this midpoint off of such a small fair value gap, which is pretty surprising actually. We don't really get rejections like that too often. But let's see. Okay, buyers are stepping in a lot stronger. Let's see if we can finally inverse this fair value gap right here. But yeah, this is definitely a scary looking setup. But alright, we're about to inverse this. So let's see how we react off this inverse. Right, and then my price targets are going to be the bottom of each and every single fair value that we created on the way down. Right, so that's why I have these random lines right here, which might not be drawn liquidity. That's why. Because of course we don't have any drawn liquidity to target up here until like the 657 range. But let's see, we need more buyers to step in. Come on, we need very, very strong buyers. Very, very strong buyers. Let's see, we're not even 10 points away from inversing this. Okay, now we are. But you guys see how sellers keep trying to bring this down and buyers just keep bringing this up and they're holding it. That's something that we want to see, right? But it's just the volume in this market is so bad. I mean, not bad. It's too good. It's too volatile. So this stop loss right here, it's scaring me a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Come on, this candle closes in 30 seconds. We need to hold above this for rally gap. I don't want to chop through it. Come on, break above. We're right there. Come on, you might as well break above. 30 seconds in this candle. Come on. I just don't want to chop through this for rally gap. That's the one thing I don't want. I want a sniper entry. Come on. $10 seconds in this candle. Can we pump up 15 points? We did it. We've done it a million times already. We could do it one more time. If not, I'll just wait for the next breakout above. I guess I'll take it. Like I said, it's just a risk that I want to take. We just can't have buyers slow down here. We need very, very, very strong buyers. And I'm talking very strong buyers. Alright, we're about to inverse this, guys. See if I can find an entry, guys. I'm waiting on it. I'm trying to see if buyers can hold above this. This is not a wick I want to see. So I'm just waiting for more buyers to step in here. Because I just don't want this to be the fake out that I'm looking for. Come on, give us that push up. Give us that push up. One more push up and I'll be in. One more push up and I'll be in. Give us that one push up. Come on. Buyers already in versus. You might as well push up. You know what I mean? So I'm just waiting on that. So far, no entry yet. See what Yes is doing. Like I said many times, guys, this is risky, so please be careful with it. I know what I'm risking, and I want to risk it. Come on, hold above this. You need to hold above this. We need more buyers to step in. If we can't get the buyers now, of course, I'm not going to be looking for longs here in such a strong sell-off. We're trying to break above here, but we're just struggling off of something. I don't know what, though. We're definitely struggling here. I don't know what's holding us down. I guess price is trying to decide what it wants to do. No entry yet, though. He still has room for higher. Let's see. Yeah, so far nothing. If like I said, guys, if buyers get weak around here, I'm just not even gonna bother looking at this one. I'll just move my entry, like, so like the thing is, if we tend to inverse this, we have to pump up 100 points again. So we have 2 minutes into this candle. We need a nice green candle, a really nice push up here. If not, I won't take it. I don't know what's holding us down, though. I guess buyers are trying to get the strength and just sellers have too much. Let's see, because this candle flipped back to green. Let's see if we can manage to get the breakout here. Okay, buyers are stepping in nice. This could be a nice sign for an entry. I'm just worried about the volume. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna answer here. I like the way buyers are stepping in. Fuck it. I'm in, guys. I'm in. I just buyers just brought this back up way too quick. I'm gonna take the risk. Like I said, guys, this is a risky one, but hey, I'm looking to take the risk here. I'm gonna say fucking just take the risk. You crazy, bro? Sometimes, bro, you just gotta risk it in trading. That's just what you gotta do sometimes. Guys, we're about to hit PT1 actually. What the hell? Bro, I looked away. What? Guys, we're about to hit PT1, guys. I know it's not the craziest price target, but it's definitely there. It's definitely there. It's definitely there. I don't know if you guys want to trim so quick. I want to look for 448. Come on, let's see 448. We're 10 points away. Let's get one more push up there so I can get some nice trims. There it is, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and trim some off here, guys. I'm trimming some off here, guys, for 30 points. Was it 30 points? I don't know. Something like that. Guys, I'm trimming some off here. I'm trimming some off here. Small PT, but hey, it's something. It's a risky one, so you guys gotta take it, you know? You guys gotta take it when you can. Let me write this lower, guys. 1 second. If I'm quiet, that's why. Guys, how are we doing so far? Everyone should be green. No one should be red at all. No one should be red at all. By the way, guys, PT1 hit. If you guys don't take trims, that's on you. I know it's a small price target, but guys, we're inside of this fair value gap, so you guys gotta be careful. All right? You guys know the risk behind the setup. Let me see. Green trimmed half. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I trimmed some good amount there. We're in a risky spot right here, guys, because we're inside of this bearish fair value gap right here. I don't know if we can go higher. All right, guys. So make sure you guys take your trims. If you guys cannot take it, that's your fault, not my fault. One tree that I got 419 or around 420. I think I had it pre-written. I think I got like, what is it? I got 421. I wrote the wrong entry because I had it pre-written for 419. How are we sitting, guys? Stop loss break even. If that's what you guys want to do, go for it. I think if you place your stop loss at break even is too tight. You can move it a little bit higher, maybe into like the 397 range. You could do that. Green as fuck. Okay, good. No one should go red. If you guys want to move your stop loss to break even, do so. I'm personally just gonna move it a little bit higher. Let me do that right now. Because I feel like if you move it to break even right now, it's gonna be too tight of a stop loss. Come on. The thing is, this thing right here, this fair value gap is really gonna hold us down. That is the problem. That's why I said this setup is risky. That's why I was saying that. So I don't know if you guys want to get out at break even. It's up to you guys. I'm not even in all that heavy, so yeah. Good here. Got out, waiting for an inverse instead. Yeah. If anything, I'll give you guys one more setup. If anything, this is more as of a risky scalp because I really wanted to try to snipe the bottom there. I can request my first payout now, bro. Congratulations, bro. Congrats. Hey, how much are you guys up? How are we sitting today, guys? How are we sitting today? 200. I'm up 1,200. Sweet. You guys are nice. You guys are doing good. Guys, if anything, if my runners get stopped out here, I'll still be green. Not the craziest green, but it's a quick scalp that I will definitely take. If anything, I'll give out one more setup with an alert off of this inverse because I want to throughout the entire AM session, guys. I want to try to catch this entire move right here. That's what I want to do throughout this entire AM session. I'm up 1,400 from some. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so you guys are really green. Okay, perfect. Guys, if my runners get stopped out, I have my stop loss at 397. If these get stopped out, I don't really care about it too much. I'll be pretty green, about $200. But hey, I'll take it. And I'll give you guys one more trade. Off that. But yeah, this rejection right here, it's normal. We were inside of this fair value gap. That's why I said it was going to be risky. So I'm really glad you guys managed to get those trims off. See, I'm about to get stopped out on these runners. How's this looking? Let's see. Imagine if we get a bounce literally. Okay, nah, I'm out. Alright, guys. I am out of these runners, guys. I got a quick scalp for $200, guys. How are we sitting? Are we good? You're red, bro. No. You should not be red, bro. I literally told you guys. No one should be red. What? Did you guys not trim at PT1, bro? Like, he's trolling? Okay, yeah, no. I'm gonna consider that trolling because no one should be right off that. It was a quick scalp. Now, what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna give you guys one more setup. That's if we can catch the top up here. Right here. So this is gonna be the next setup I'm looking for. I'm just gonna be sniping every single inverse on the way up. Break even. Let me see. How do I fix my market data on a funded account? Just contact Apex and then they'll fix it for you. Bro, he said no. I said to trim a million times. I'm not even mad at that, guys. That's on you guys. Yeah, if you're red, that's on you. Exactly. Because I literally said a million times. How much did I trim? I trimmed half up there. Actually, no, more than half because that size light. Let me see. Someone on YouTube said I'm up 1,200 on 8 PAs, bro. Congrats. Let's see. Okay, bet. But yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give you guys one more alert, because I want, guys, with such a strong sell-off like this, guys, we have endless opportunities to get entries for longs. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait for one more entry on the way up. Let me see. How many contracts is light for you? I did 7 contracts on that. Yo, something strange happened. I was in 50 micros. I trimmed 5 at PT1, but when I trimmed, it put a sell order for 5 at my PT1 instead of removing the 5. Exit it, cancel everything. I ended up being up $430 after I exited and canceled everything. Wait, what? I don't get that part. I don't get that part. No, I don't do minis, bro. I will never do minis. No. It was micros. How much did I trim my PT1? I trimmed 4. Are you stopped out? Yeah, I'm out. I got out of the runners. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the market some time here. What's it called? What was I gonna say? I'm gonna give the market some time here to form this reversal. What I think is gonna happen now here, guys, is now that we took out liquidity, now that we're seeing a lot more buyers coming in, we're gonna create this main low right here, and we're gonna create another higher low, and we're gonna push up into this fair value gap. What I'm thinking is we're gonna push up into this fair value gap and get another inverse. Once we get that next inverse, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take one more jab at longs there. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take one more scalp. Let's see. My first win in like 3 weeks. Been dodging every win in this. Hey, bro. Wait, EB, did you take it? Did you take it with me, bro? This was more of a scalp. So yeah, perfect. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to get one more entry here, guys. Not now. I'm gonna wait for another inverse. But like I said, guys, the strat here today, guys, is now that we swept mostly every level to the downside, or at least the major levels, we have so much room to the upside. So you know what I mean? Let me see. Small win tier 2. Yeah, bro, there's nothing wrong with that. No one, in my opinion, no one should be red. If anything, break even. I understand that part, but no one should be red. We literally had the perfect trims. If anything, we even stayed at these trims for a while. So you guys had the opportunity to take it there. Let me write this down. Alright, there you go. Let me see. Let me catch up on the chat here, guys. Bro, no, but the thing is, bro, if you hit PT1, you can't just trim 1 micro. You gotta, usually for me, the rules that I go off of, guys, is at least trim half of your position at PT1. You have price target 1 for a reason. You know what I mean? Trim at least half of that. Don't just do 1. Do 1 when you're trimming, like, as it pushes up, but when it hits your price target, you guys have to trim at least half. That's the way I do it. It's how you de-risk all the time. So now we can't use the fair value gap. No. Don't use that one no more. The one that I'm going to use now is going to be this one. I don't think we have a 15-minute one. We do, actually. Oh, okay. Perfect. So if we inverse this 5, it's going to be a 2-1 with the 15-minute. So I'm going to wait for that, guys. I'm going to wait for that. See, how long does it usually take for Apex to send an email after you pass your eval? Hey, bro, if you pass it, bro, congrats. They'll send it to you later tonight. They'll send it to you later tonight. I learned from you to trim half a PT1. Bro, like, it's just how it is, guys. Just trim at PT1 always. Like, no matter how much you're up, trim at least half of it. If you want more, do that, right? Shouldn't be any less than half at PT1. That's how I always do it. But thank you so much. I finally passed my first eval, bro. Congratulations, bro. Honestly, I know it wasn't the best trade, but it was more of a scalp, a risky scalp, and we're here for that. We're here for that. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to give you guys one more trade for the day. So, at least 1 or 2 more trades, right? Because we have so much more room to go higher, and I'm not gonna let this go. That was another trade that. Okay, let me ask you guys, because some people messed up with the trimming and all that stuff. Guys, how did we do with the trade? Are you guys happy with it? Are you guys whatever with it? Let me know, guys. Can someone help? What's up? With what? With what? Green? Yeah, I'm sure most of you guys are green off that. My order never got filled, bro. Make sure to do market, by the way, bro. Good scalp? Perfect. Alright. Okay, let me see. I tried to trim, but it gave me an alert because it was multiple accounts and I didn't really read it because I was too worried about the trade. I was like, I'm just gonna exit out. Do you know what that is? Oh, when you're trading multiple accounts, you probably just didn't have the right number for the accounts when you're copy trading. So you gotta make sure of that. Remember, if you're in, like, you gotta do the math around it. It's kind of confusing. Let me see. I'm happy with the trade, but could have been executed better. A bit. Yeah, I guess. Guys, by the way, ES and NQ, they're rejecting off this fair value gap. So we just need, I promise you guys, once we get that extra buying coming in, I will give you guys one more entry. I'm gonna give you guys one more alert. But yeah, we just need one more buying, guys. We need one more buying. Happy with the trade scale too light? Hey, it's fine. I traded this trade light too. Exactly, base hits, bro. There's nothing. I'm not mad at all. I mean, guys, we got a base hit. No one should be mad, man. It's quick profits. It was literally an in and out trade. And I'm gonna give you guys one more. It was executed just fine. I'm not gonna say we got in too late though. In my opinion, I think we got it good. We got a good entry. Wait, Salad, did you leave your stop loss at... Oh, that's right. Okay, got it. Where's the fair value gap? We're looking at this one. Green is green? Perfect, yeah, 100%. I got it earlier, but safe... Yeah, okay, got it. Can you explain the math? If you're getting 50 contracts in for a total of 3 accounts... Okay, how many do you want to trim, though? That's the thing. You just divide it by 3 accounts. You divide the number of contracts you want to divide by 3. Or, yeah, by 3. And you just do it from there. It's a bit confusing at first, but you'll get it. But yeah. Last 200 because of market data delay. If anything, it shouldn't even let you get filled with market data delay. This is how I have a script for Apex, but it's delayed. Send me a screenshot, bro. Let me see what you're seeing. Send me a screenshot. Send it over in the chat. I'll let you know what it is. Why not get in above the previous fair value gap? That's what we're doing. We're waiting on it. We're waiting on that right now. But yeah, let me see how YouTube chat is doing. Up 175. Perfect, bro. Perfect. That's right, bro. You got any tips for me? I want to start streaming. I'm about to pass my 50K top step. Honestly, bro, I'm not too much of a big streamer, so I don't know any tips about it. By the way, guys, hold up real quick. Speaking of like social media and stuff, guys, real quick, is anyone in here really good at making thumbnails? Like I'm serious, like really like not really good, but like just good in general. Because I'm looking to post the first bootcamp video on today. But the thing is, I have to work on the thumbnail. I already edited the video and everything. It's ready to be posted. I just don't want to post it without a thumbnail. You know what I mean? Use AI? No, I'm not trying to do AI either. That's kind of lazy. If anything, I'll edit it myself. It's not that hard. I've done a lot of Photoshop in my days, but yeah, if I probably... Okay. Cool. The thing is, I'm trying to post like literally right after this live. So if anything, I'll just do it myself. You know. By the way, guys, if you guys want green off of this trade, guys, go post it in the wins channel. Let me see those wins, guys. Let me see those wins. And I'm gonna try my best if the market, you know, wants to do its thing. I'm gonna give you guys one more trade, you know, so you guys can make that extra profit that we really want to see there. Okay, let me see. At the top. Okay, guys, it's like I know I can give you guys one more trade. You taking new people from the mentorship? No, not right now. Not right now. Right now, I'm more focused on the boot camp. So no, not right now, bro. What's the title of the first video? I don't know. I saw TGR have a title like something about take action, so something like that would be nice. Yeah, yeah, that Canva. Yep, I was gonna do that. Would 331 be another sweep? It could be. It could be. But if we're gonna take out 331, we might as well take out 314. But I want to stay on for like maybe an extra hour with you guys. Because I know I can get you guys one more trade. Thing is, the entry is gonna be a little bit far, and by a little bit far, I mean really fucking far. For that inverse. But guys, if we inverse this 5 and 15 minutes at the same time, we might have such a good setup here. So I'm gonna wait on that. PM. If it has to come down to PM, yeah, but I wanna stay on with you guys for a little bit because I haven't live traded with you guys in a while, and I just, you know, I want to stay on with you guys for a little bit. I don't really have too much to do, right? And you know, we might as well wait for the setup and chat up a little bit. What a sweet guy! Come on, bro. Yeah, no, but I haven't done a live. I didn't do one yesterday because obviously the banks were closed. I wasn't planning on doing that, but this is fucking everything up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. If you guys can inverse this, it'll be amazing because we gotta inverse this above. You think we could pump up like how we dumped down? Yeah, bro. That shouldn't be an issue. That should not be an issue. But so far, I'm happy with today. Although we didn't catch the craziest trade, you know what I mean? We still made some money. And I got the extra day for today, so I'm requesting that payout today, baby. Let's go. But yeah, guys, we're one day closer to election day, guys. Guys, hear me out. There's 288 people in here, guys. With election day, oh my, like, bro, you guys gotta be ready. Like, I need you guys to stay here for till election day, guys, because the amount of money that we're gonna make with all this volume coming in, we're gonna have days like today, every single day during election day. It's gonna be insane, guys. It's gonna be so crazy, bro. By the way, wait, okay, meme coin. Bro, you literally just read my mind. That's why I said, by the way. Bro, you just read my mind. Speaking of, guys, how many of you guys in here, I'm going to ask you guys right here, right? How many of you guys in here are down? It's going to be a gamble. But, let me see. This rough session before treasure is worth it. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. Guys, how many of you guys are down to gamble some meme coins with me? Guys, I'm going to be buying a shit ton of Trump coins. Because it's not even that, like, I don't care. Okay, I actually do care who wins. But bro, if Trump wins and you guys are in these meme coins, you can make generational wealth. It's gonna be so crazy. So what I'm gonna start doing, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and open a whatever. I don't even know how to buy meme coins. I don't know anything. Natalie, I saw a message. I don't know anything about meme coins. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a gamble and just buy. I'm gonna put $1,000 on the line. I'm gonna split $100 per meme coin, and just see what we could do. How much do we need? Well, you can literally put $1 into it. But yeah, guys, who's down with me? I'm gonna buy a shit ton of Trump coins. I don't even care if they're bought up already. I'm gonna buy them. I don't care, because I feel like this is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. And you guys know how meme coins are. Like, you can literally turn like $20 into like 20,000. In with you, bro. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna try to set up my account today. I'll let you guys know how I do it and all that stuff, and I'll let you guys know what I buy and when I buy it. By the way, guys, don't expect any crazy alerts with this. Like, I'm literally just gambling. Like, it's just for fun. Like, I don't really care about it. What up for me? I don't know anything about that. I'm gonna be honest with you. But bro, with election day coming up, guys, you guys know it's gonna be a nice opportunity there. Bro, meme coins, they pump up with no volume in the market, like not that not that much hype, with election day coming up and literally everyone doing, guys, it's gonna look. Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. With crypto, it's gonna be such a big deal because if you guys look at Trump's Twitter right now, he literally, today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Matter of fact, today Trump opened a crypto coin. Yeah, crypto. Yeah, something. Bro, he opened the coin today, guys. He opened the coin today. So even Trump is in on that, right? So when it comes to meme coins, honestly, I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm gonna do it. I you know what I mean? I'm risking 1,000, which could be, you know, spent so much better. But bro, I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Who knows, bro? We can make generational wealth, and we don't have to do any of this, guys. You know what I mean? You can just invest that money, go enjoy the money, whatever, and boom. He's all for, yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's all for it. Unless you robot trying to cop one. Nah, but that's just scary as hell, bro. This is what I use a lot of people in the space. I follow big things on X. Okay, cool. I think I've heard of Phantom. But yeah, no, guys, that was a little bit of an off-topic thing right there. But yeah, no, I'm gonna do it. Bro, Harry, I don't know too much about TradingView, bro. I wish I could help it. I don't know too much about it. MetaMask account. Okay, got it. I bought a Diddy coin and kept going on. Bro, because the thing is, when any major news is going on, I've noticed this pattern, even though I'm not too big with crypto. Anytime any major news comes out, it's the meme coins that really go for it. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not any of that. They go up, but you know, you can't really make money off of that, right? Because you're buying it already at, you know. But when it comes to meme coins, you can literally put a few cents in there and become a millionaire. That's how crazy it is. So I'm just gonna do it. Fuck it. I'm probably gonna lose all my money. But I'm gonna try it. You know, for the fun of it. Like, guys, right now we're going higher into this fair value gap. So right now what we're creating here in the chart is, guys, right here we're creating the main low right here, and we're creating another higher low right here, which is confirming the bullish trend for the MSS model, right? So what am I saying right here? Well, what we have right here, guys, is we have a sweep off of this low right here at 383, right? If you guys zoom out, you guys would see the level right here, right? Now that we took out 383, what's going on here is we're forming the MSS by creating the main low, higher low, which forms the MSS. It's not super confirmed yet, but we're definitely getting it, right? So what is the only thing holding us down right here? Well, the only thing that's holding us down right here is going to be a nice fair value gap inverse. So now that we have all the confirmations, we're going to be buyer stepping in, a sweep, an MSS, and then we get the inverse. We can go ahead and find an entry there, because if you guys pay attention here, we have a very, very nice 5-minute fair value gap, and if you go on the 15-minute, we have another very, very nice 15-minute fair value gap. So we might, you know what I mean? It's looking like a nice entry here. So yeah, stream it when you get the coins, bro. Fuck it, I'll do it. Mark of the Beast system. I don't even know what that is, bro. Guys, trust me, I don't know anything about crypto, like anything at all. Hey guys, we're getting closer and closer to this fair value gap. What's your Instagram, David? I'm telling you when I buy that shit. I'm not. There it is, bro. Doesn't earnings come out after hours? I don't think earnings comes out. I don't think it's legal for earnings to come out during the market hours. Guys, I'm seeing some wins in the win channel, but not enough, man. I need to see more, guys. I need to see more. Come on, come on. I just passed my chat. Hey, bro, Robert. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit, bro. Guys, how many of you guys passed funded accounts off this scalp? Robert, I saw someone else take it as well. You guys are crazy, man. $800 away. I'm $50 away from passing. Okay, ASM, do not size heavy on this trade if we get it. Just size light. Size light on it. But yeah, we're still rejecting off the top of the bottom of this Ferrari gap. David, what do you want to see in the win? Bro, yeah, fuck it, bro. Post that shit. Where do you buy crypto? I've never bought crypto in my life. So I don't know. I have to do my research tonight. Almost past 19 accounts, bro. With the scalp? Was that off the scalp? Yeah, perfect, bro, perfect. So I'm seeing a lot of you guys are happy with the wins today, guys. So I'm gonna try to get with you guys one more trade. But yeah. It kind of seems like the volume is dying down a little bit because we are approaching lunch hour. But I do want to see this going into lunch hour. I do want to see this inverse. We have a small 1 hour for Alex rejecting off of it. We're also rejecting off the 5 and 15 minute, but what about the 1 hour? Now we're not rejecting off of this one. We're still creating it, so we haven't even created the fair value gap. But yeah, I really want to stay on to catch this next trade with you guys because I don't feel like creating a whole nother live trading session. You know, I might as well stay in one and go from there. Let me see how my friends are doing. Krabby caught shorts. He's in shorts, right? Let me see. Oh, he caught 30 points with me as well. He got the same points as me. Fire. Wait, what did he enter at? He entered at 11:06. 11:06. So he got. Wait, at 4:01. I mean, he got in at the complete top there. Wait. Okay, yeah, he got in at literally the complete top. So he got at 4:01. He got the sell off for about 30-ish points. Okay, so yeah, Krabby caught the same scalp as me. Cool. But yeah, guys, I'm waiting on one more push up here, guys. I don't know if we're probably gonna see his PM session. More than likely. Are you live every day? Yeah, bro. Every single day. I'll be live tomorrow. I'll be live Thursday. I'll be live Friday. I'll be live every single day, my man. Yes, sir. Well, grab water. We'll see it now, bro. Yeah. Speaking of, let me drink some, bro, because I'm getting back on creatine. I'm getting back in my gym thing. So yeah. Bro, I've been seeing that EP, bro, on TikTok, bro. I've been seeing that. But guys, speaking of live trading, guys, how has the live trading been today? Are you guys enjoying it? Are you guys learning something new and all that stuff? How you guys doing? How you guys doing with the live trading? Let me see. It's pretty a PvP, bro. Yeah, no rug pulls. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. That's why I avoid crypto. It's a whole shit show. How about MK? Isn't that trend? MK 677. But I feel like that's trend, bro. But now I'm getting back on creatine, bro. Because I stopped going to the gym for a little bit because I was really focused on everything. Just working a little bit harder. But now I'm kind of settling down a little bit. So now I have more time to go to the gym. But I'm getting back on creatine, bro. What people say about muscle memory, bro, it's actually, I feel like it's true. Bro, because I promise you guys, I went for a week and I'm back at where I was like when I was at my peak. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. Wait, let me see. Hey fam. Wait, let me see. Hey fam, when you get a chance, can you? Oh yeah, I got you. Let me see. Let me read over it. Okay, let me see. Okay. Hey, L screws. About speaking about this in the group yesterday. I looked into the LLC. I agree and heard that's the way to go. Thing is, I was gonna grab my first eval this week before the sale ended, but won't have an LLC by that time. Would you think it's alright to just grab it? Yeah, bro. Bro, you'll be fine, bro. You'll be fine. You don't need to be under an LLC to trade. It's not a must. It's suggested, I would say, but it's not a must. You know what I mean? If anything, you can have a personal and an LLC account. I don't really think Apex gives a shit about that. So we mark our liquidity and then liquidity sweep and then an MSS and then an inverse to enter off the inverse. Yeah, you are getting it right, bro. That's what's up. You are getting that, bro. Yeah, you can use your profits to create an LLC. I mean, it's not much. I mean, all you're doing is really paying a state fee, right? Which it varies. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's $50, sometimes it's 100, maybe even 200. I don't know, some shit like that. Yeah, it's 150 for Florida. Can we use this with options trading? Yeah, you can. You can. I don't suggest it though. I'm new to this. I'm having trouble understanding where you want us to trim. I didn't execute the first trade correctly. Well, okay. Do you know what trimming is? Mickey? How much is it for Cali? I don't know. But I mean, but it's New York. You know what I mean? I do know. Okay. Well, it's simple. I mean, in the trade we have price targets, right? So in this trade, right here, we had a price target, right? When we entered, I went ahead and told you guys, okay, when we hit 20,448.25, you're gonna go ahead and take some profits out of the table, right? What ended up happening? We entered at 419 around there. We hit 448, and then we just took some profits out of the table. We just sold. You know what I mean? So we trimmed there. That's why I told you guys I trimmed a good chunk here. I'm not gonna take profits, you know, for most quick since setup is risky, etc. Right? Maybe you didn't hear me in the live. I don't know. Yeah, that could have been the case. But yeah. Anytime we hit price target, you're gonna go ahead and trim some off there. Because that's the point of price targets. But yeah, I see only 25 micros as max on Tradeovate. How do you trade more than 10 micros for 3 accounts or more? Is there a way to change this? Well, it depends on what account you're using, first of all. And second of all, I do not trade 25 micros per account. I trade about 10 per account. But when you're copy trading, you have to add more because, of course, it's adding everything together. So if you want to do 10 micros on 10 accounts, you have to click 100 contracts, right? It's not gonna deny your order either. We're gonna find pics for you of you for the thumbnail here, bro. I'll go ahead and send it over to you. And thank you, bro. If anything, I'll send you something, you know, as a thank you. If anything, I can just work on it myself here. I'm gonna send the DM real quick, just so I can have it. Here, I'm gonna send this real quick. Okay. You can use something like this. Let me see. Hold on. I think these pictures are pretty cool. So, won't be that bad. Let me know if this is nice, bro. I mean, I sent this to you in your DMs. Bro, but if I'm only in with 5 micros, then isn't it weird that I only trim 1 micro? No. If anything, trim like 3, if anything. Especially in a risky setup. I would trim like, if you're in 5, do like, you could do 2. If you're feeling confident we're gonna go higher. But I would do 3, around there. Market is asked now. I mean, you gotta keep in mind, we are approaching lunch hour. Slowly but surely. You know what I mean? Why wouldn't you suggest this strategy? Okay, it's not the strategy, it's options as a whole. It's not very stable. And I feel like I talk about this in every single live trading that I do, but it's just like I you know, there's just, in my opinion, I feel like there's better out there. There's better markets to trade. Just with options, it's made to be against you, right? With theta, with all that shit, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. No, boss, I'm not in it. Where I find the write-up that you showed, it's right here. It's right here. You go under futures alerts right here, and everything will be here. All the alerts that I put out, they're all here, bro. Like the 80 pointer from last week, which is, you know, I'm hoping we can get a trade like that today. But if it comes down to PM session, guys, I'll do PM session. I don't even mind. I'm feeling good today. The market is finally moving like how we expected it, or how we wanted it. What about Forex? I don't know. I've never tried Forex. I can't give you my opinion on Forex. One thing I know is the community is really shady. And a lot of people say that. A lot of big traders say that. That's why a lot of big traders out there don't really do Forex. It's really shady. Really, really shady. When is PM session? At 1 p.m. EST. Remove it from your mind. Yep, there it is. Yeah, it's a scam. Forex itself is not really a scam, but it's just avoid it, bro. You're better off avoiding it. Oh, Alex G finally hit 1 million, bro. Mo, you know that the Lambo where he set it on fire, bro? It's right next to me, bro. Alex G lives right next to me, or not next to me. Like I live in this neighborhood because that's the whole mansion. But But what's it called? What was I gonna say? Yeah, no, he lives like probably down the street from me, around there. Yeah, exactly. With options, you want to take profits risk and let the profits run. The thing is, with the problem with letting the rest run is with theta. If you're doing 0 DTE, if you're letting the contracts run, even if it doesn't go to your entry point on the chart, you can still be at break even because of little pullbacks with theta. That's the problem with it, right? That's why I don't like options, because you know you can make so much money off letting runners run, but with options, if you don't let, you know what I mean? Have you talked to Alex before? No, I don't know him like that. I just live next to him. Because when I used to go to school, I would have to take the road by his house to go to school. Wait, also you're in Miami? Since when, bro? I learned to buy my time after Wednesday. Yeah. The thing is with, okay, look, there's pros and cons, right? With 0 DT, the cons is theta will literally get you no matter what. Like, it will follow you to the ends of this earth, right? But here's the but, right? You can make money really fucking fast. Like, I'm talking like 100% in a blink of an eye, right? Now, what are the cons with buying time? Well, the cons with buying time is theta won't get you as hard. It can still get you, right? And you can also lose as fast. Yeah, theta won't really get you. It can still get you, but not as hard. The thing is, you won't make as much money as you're expecting with such a big move there, right? You can also sell options. That's also a thing, but you know, I've never tried that. It sounds interesting though, but yeah. Says room to the downside. Check the ES. ES took out liquidity, right? Oh no, no, that's old liquidity. I don't have any more liquidity down here. We have some like right here. I won't really say ES is really too interested in going down. I mean, we took out majority of the liquidity. We have a lot to take out to the upside here. So I'm more interested in it going up, I would say, as well as NQ. We took out majority of the liquidity. Now the question is we know that's gonna go up. Just the question is when, right? That's what we need to that's what we need to wait for, right? That's what we're waiting on this inverse, right? We inverse the 5 and 50 minute, we'll be set. Although we have something holding us down right here, I don't think it'll be too much of a big deal. So I'll definitely wait for that, guys. Yeah, no, Alex, definitely full ports. Yeah, big time. Wait, I mean, well, to be fair, he definitely made the money, but you know, he full ports. I mean, he had a day where he lost 200k, which is insane. I wouldn't be able to sleep. That's always the question, is when exactly. We know how to read the market, we just don't know when it's gonna happen, right? That's the good thing about the strategy. It's always when. Set and forget. Yeah. I mean, guys, honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I'm being completely honest with you guys. If I had the Alex G mindset and I full ported every trade, I would probably be a millionaire by now. I'll probably hit 7 figures by now. I really feel it. I really feel it. Like, cause the thing is, I'm so like married to risk management and all that stuff, where I don't like sizing heavy and all that stuff. What's stopping you, bro? My head, bro. No, bro, I can't sleep through that. I can't even, bro. Bro, I have enough stress already. I'm not gonna be full porting my entire account. You know what I mean? Like my mind, bro. My mind. I would love my grandson to do this. How do you get started in trading? Actually, Viv, with the video that I'm gonna post today, I don't wanna show you guys too much. But guys, here, the thing is, I don't want to show too much. I talked about, cause okay, look. So for the for the boot camp video, right, guys? I didn't really teach anything in this video because I want you guys to, okay, look. With the bootcamp, I want you guys to know me a lot more, right? Of course, if you guys are going to be listening to someone that's teaching you how to make money and possibly, you know, hopefully change your life, right? You guys would want to know him a little bit more, you know what I mean? So in that video, I kind of talked about my life expectations, stuff that might hold you down with trading, stuff like that, right? It's a 45-minute video, 47-minute video of me just talking. Let me see. The thing is, I want to put it up here, but I don't want to leak too much. The video will be out. It's a good one. It's a good one. Damn it, I only charge $100. Bro, nah, he's trolling. He's trolling. No, wait. No, I got you. No, the video will be out probably by like 4. And then later today, I'm gonna record another video, and actually getting into it, you know, with funded accounts, how to set it up and all that stuff. Start a new account just to stop full porting, bro. I don't know, man. Like, I feel like okay, look, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. In those 2 months when we barely had 1L, guys, I could have hit 7 figures if I full ported. It was that crazy. It was that crazy. David, I think I seen you around. Wait, Marsh. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I know what the neighborhood is called. It's a known neighborhood, and like a lot of like really rich people. I don't live there. So you know what I mean. But a lot of rich people live there, for sure. I'm talking Alex G. There's some Cuban rapper that I know that lives there, and all that stuff. It's in Doral. Around Doral, I think it is. How many micros will be a full port? I mean, every single micro that you could possibly put into the account. You know what I mean? Into the trade. That's what full porting is. What's your monthly dream goal for trading? Honestly, bro. Okay, look. Let me be honest with you with that. I don't even speak Spanish, bro. Yeah. Okay, look. So, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When I first started trading, I would see people make $1,000 a day. I'm like, damn, bro, if only I could dream of this. You know what I mean? Well, to be fair, I hit that goal. I mean, you know, thanks to funded accounts, I'm able to make a really good amount a month of trading. Now, it gets to the point where it's like, and I'm not trying to sound like I don't even know what to say, like a douche or anything. Like it's just me being real, right? It gets to the point like when you hit the goal, it's like now what? You know what I mean? Like, now that I'm doing this, like, now that I got up to this, I feel like I could do more. Exactly, you want more. Exactly, it's not even being greedy. It's not, now that you hit the goal, it's like, now what? You know what I mean? It's like, I can, if I can do this, I could do 100K a month, if anything. Right? You're never satisfied. Exactly. It's like when you think something will satisfy you guys, once you hit it, sure, you're gonna be happy for the accomplishment. But it's like now what? Like you want exactly with the gym. Your whole okay. For example, for the gym, you wanted to have abs, right? You hit abs, and it's like okay, now what? I want more. You know what I mean? So you like the sky's the limit. That's the good thing about trading. You're not limited to an exact amount. Exactly, you're striving for better. Exactly, and I actually talk about that in the bootcamp video. About the goals and all that stuff when I first started, what I wanted to do and all that stuff, and exactly how I hit it. So yeah, that's something. You know what I mean? Like you can make $1 million a month and you will never be satisfied. Like exactly. But is Morphia but in trading? Yeah, trading this Morphia, I guess that's what it's called. By the way, guys, the market is still creating higher highs and higher lows, or not higher highs, higher lows, right? So we have the main low, right? So we're going into this rally up slowly but surely. What's the daily drawdown? There's no daily drawdown on a 50K account. Exactly, because look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. In the 1 month winning streak, I mean, actually, in the 2 months of those winning streaks that we had, guys. Okay, look, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. Hear me out here. I knew I was gonna get the CA because I had the money for it, right? But I'm like, I don't want to do it until I hit X amount a month. And I promise you guys, every single day I woke up at 6 in the morning. I don't do it anymore. I woke up every single day at 6 in the morning to go to the gym and be prepared for the live trading. And guys, every single day throughout those 2 months, green, videos, mentorships, this. Now that I got the car, I kind of just, and I'm being for real with you guys because I know this happens. I feel like I've settled down a little bit. Like I'm still working really hard, but I feel like I could do so much more, and that's why I'm doing this boot camp. Because I'm like, bro, I'm getting too comfortable. Now that I hit the goal, like now I wake up and I'm like, okay, now what? You know what I mean? It's like now what? I already have, you know, the thing that I wanted, you know, and now I don't really have any goals that I really wanna achieve. Of course, real estate, but you wake up and it's like, now what? You know what I mean? And it's real because a lot of friends have told me, I'm like, bro, you know, you're just talking shit. You know what I mean? Like bro, you have your dream car, like you have a Lambo or whatever. What do you mean you don't feel like productive? You know what I mean? No, it's real. It's real. it's actually real. And let me see, think and grow rich. Here, let me write it down. It's actually real. Like, now that you hit your goal, it's like, now what? Like, what can you do now? You know? And I talked about that in the boot camp. But yeah, I used to wake up at 6 p.m. without an alarm. But no, I literally used to wake up at 6 in the morning to get ready with my day and all that stuff. I remember, man, because I wanted this so bad. And now that I got it, it's like I'm back to my regular life. You know what I mean? I wake up, I'm like, okay, let me just trade. You know? Back then, I would actually like be like, okay, today I need to trade. I need to do a video for everyone. I need to do my mentorship. I need to do this and this and this. You know what I mean? Can you tell me more about the bootcamp? Don't worry, the video will be out. Everything will be in the video. Trust me, it'll be out today. Those type of problems I want to have. The thing is, you can have them, bro. Just set goals. You know what I mean? Are you guys in a trade? No, not right now, man. We're waiting on one. We're waiting on one. But yeah, no, everything. Let me see. You're getting a fulfillment from helping and seeing others grow. Yeah, that's definitely something. But just more as a personal goal. You know what I mean? Like right now that I got the guilty pleasure out of the way, because I feel like I had to kind of reward myself after a while, especially after 4 years. You know what I mean? Now I'm, you know, no more stupid purchases, no more any of that. You know what I mean? Now it's straight real estate. So I'm building my credit. I'm gonna pay off the remaining thing of the car in about 10 months. So I can have good credit, a good credit history, and then from there on out, I'm gonna get started with real estate and grow my thing into that. What got you into trading? I talked about it. I also talked about it in the video. I mean, guys, it's a 1 hour long video. I've talked about everything that you guys are asking me here. Psh, I've answered in the video. So I'm gonna save that part for the videos just so you guys can actually, you know, listen through it. But man, I'm gonna tell you guys, it felt weird grabbing the camera in public and just talking to you guys. It felt really weird, but I don't know, it felt good. Like, I was able to, like, talk, you know what I mean? Like, just be myself. Do you want to stop trading eventually? Yeah, everyone does, bro. You can't live with this constant stress for life. Trading is really hard mentally. Like, there's days where you don't even sleep because of trading. That's how hard it is. It pays off, trust me, and it builds life skills. But it's definitely not something I want to do for life. Maybe I'll give it like a few more years, I guess, like tops, a few more years. But I won't be doing this for forever. That's what I told you guys, and I even said in the video, I'm like, guys, take advantage of everything I'm doing right now, especially with the bootcamp and all that stuff, because I promise you guys, I'm not saying that I'm all this either, but let me tell you guys, when it comes to the trading space, there's a lot of greedy people in here. There's a lot of people that exploit you guys, because they know that you guys will buy anything just to make money. You guys will buy anything, and they sell the most basic course for thousands of dollars, and they know that you guys are gonna buy it, so they exploit that shit. You know what I mean? So the whole point I'm trying to do the bootcamp, which I also explained in the video, is so I can prove to you guys that you guys don't need to be spending money on courses. You guys don't need to be doing all this shit. And when someone's literally providing you something that's proven to work, with proven payouts, with proven bank statements, with proven everything, right? And I even do it live. Just so I can prove to you guys that you guys don't need to spend money on these people that don't even trade for themselves. These people that don't even know how to trade for themselves, right? You guys are getting people that you guys are paying people $1,000 that they don't even know how to trade for themselves, right? They just search up the basics on YouTube and they just make a course out of it, right? So I'm here to tell you guys, because many people out there won't do this for free. Many people out there won't even help you. You know what I mean? You just press picking up. It's whatever. But yeah, many people out there, matter of fact, 99% of people out there really won't help you. You know what I mean? And now that I have to, you guys give me the opportunity to actually grow my brand and grow as a, grow in everything, right? I can finally give back to you guys for free before I actually, I'm not gonna say quit, but just move on to bigger things. And I'm not saying I'm gonna quit now, like no time soon. But you guys need to take advantage of this, because if you're never gonna take advantage of this, trading will just be an absolute nightmare for you guys. Because I went through a nightmare, and you know what I mean. Everything I'm doing in the bootcamp is gonna be for you guys. Because I was once in your guys' shoes. You know what I mean? I was clueless. I didn't know how to trade. I didn't even know what I was looking at, right? And the one thing I would have wanted was, for someone to help me do this live. Do everything together, right? So yeah. Did y'all take another trade? No. Out of all of the strategies, why this one? I mean, bro, the results speak for themselves, bro. You're just able to understand the market a lot more. You know what I mean? If you're new to it, that's totally fine. But yeah, thanks for being. I mean, bro. Okay, look, Joker. I'm gonna tell you something right here. I'm not gonna be like one like, oh, I came from nothing, But bro, I came from Cuba. You know what I mean? Like, I literally had to start from ground zero. Like my family and I, or my mom and I actually, had to start from ground zero. right? When I first started trading at 15 years old, everyone was trying to charge me an arm and a leg for me at the time, which it probably still is. You know, like $2,000 for basic ass course. No, that's stupid. That's stupid. You know what I mean? So when I was in your guys' shoes, the only thing I would have wanted, and you guys know me, like I'm really big on God and all that stuff, and now that I have the opportunity to give you guys stuff that I would have wanted when I first started, I'm gonna do that, right? Because I'm not gonna be here forever. You know what I mean? I make enough money off trading to the point where I don't need to charge fucking like $5,000 for a little basic course on how to start. You know? So that's why I'm doing this, and I promise you guys, I'm gonna literally bust my ass off for the boot camp. But I need you guys to really watch all that stuff and actually take note of it, so you guys are getting value for the time that I'm putting into it. I'm start scamming people I need money. Bro, just make a course, bro. Just make a course on trading. To get that real estate. Yeah, I'm already working on it, Harry. The thing is, I need to file a little bit more taxes, about a year or so about taxes, and build my credit up. So I'm doing that all in one, and then I'm gonna get straight into real estate. Can I sell your alerts, bro? How do you invest into Trump Coin Coinbase? I don't know. I don't know anything about crypto. Dude, when I make it, I'm gonna fly out and kiss your big head. Bro, my head is not big, bro. Come on now. Yeah, bro, like exactly a 3-day boot camp. What they're gonna tell you is how to set up an account, bro. That you can find that shit on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, and the thing is, it's people like some of you guys that actually buy that. Like sometimes it just takes a little bit of thinking, guys. Like, just do your research before you buy something so expensive. Because at the end of the day, if you guys are buying something that costs $5,000 constantly, rich, and you have to put in all the work, right? And at the end of the day, you're gonna question yourself and be like, okay, where's the value for the $5,000, right? No, bro. Like, I promise you guys, I was once in your guys' shoes, and like I said, you guys know me. I'm really against gurus. Like, all those people that flash cars and no results and all that shit. I don't like that shit at all. It just ruined the space. It ruins everything. It sets a really bad explanation for traders. You know what I mean? That's the problem. That's the problem. People try to sell you a lifestyle. That's why I don't show you guys my life. That's why I don't post about my life on Instagram or anything, because it's horrible. You know what I mean? Like people get into trading, they're like, okay, I'm gonna make $1,000 tomorrow, even though you haven't even made your first dollar. You know, like, and then you lose all your money and you quit trading. Why? Because people set a really bad explanation for trading, right? And I'm here, thank the Lord above, as always, to actually show you guys results, and actually focus on the topic of trading instead of selling you a lifestyle with a fucking Corvette or a Lambo or this or that. Because I don't like showing you guys that, right? That's not what trading is. Trading is the charts, emotions, this and this, and fixing that, and actually, you know, doing all that stuff. It's just yeah, people. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes people say, "Oh, you're 19," you know, stuff like that. But no, that shit to everyone, bro. Like, that shit makes people that actually care for the community, like, their lives 10 times harder, right? Because, you know, it just make the space really bad. And I don't want to get too into that, because of course right now I can't really even focus on trade because there's nothing. But once I put out this video later today, guys, I really want you guys to watch that video. I feel like it's a must. And you guys can also get to know more about me in that video, because of course a lot of people ask about that. But yeah, don't get blinded by the blinding things. Exactly, like materialistic things, guys. Please don't fall for that. If anything, it's actually a red flag. Like, for someone that you know what I mean, that for someone that shows LV or cars or Lambos or this or that in every video, and they don't show actual trading, like, bro, come on, man. It's so easy. Can you teach us about real estate? I don't know too much about it. My girlfriend's actually studying it, but I mean, we're working together there. But I've been seeing gurus selling AI trading, like, man, exact, and people buy it, bro. Like, how can you buy it? When confidence wavers, bro, yeah. Is AI trading real? No, bro, no. No one will sell you an AI trading, bro. If I can make $1 million for something, a strategy that's unknown with AI, I will not sell it to you guys. That is dumb. They're making money off you guys, not their little shitty AI trading bot that they made with ChatGPT. You know what I mean? bro, $30,000 for an AI bot. Come on, bro. It's something else. People just want the easy in life. People, oh, a trading bot's gonna make me money, so all I have to do is stay in bed all day. No, you're gonna lose all your money. Matter of fact. That's just how it is. But yeah, guys, right now price is consolidating a little bit. We're probably gonna see this inverse throughout the PM session once price picks up after 1. So if anything, I'll probably use this time to go to the gym and just work out. But yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let's meet PM. Would you guys say so? Are you guys down for a PM session? For one more trade? Regardless, I would say most of us are still green today. So even if we don't get anything PM, we're still happy with today. But yeah, let's say PM. Yeah, let's do PM then. Or whenever this plays out. Hopefully it doesn't play out when I'm at the gym, because I'm gonna work out chest today, so it's not too long. But alright, guys. Yeah, let's go ahead. If I start doing TikTok, bro. Yeah, but you if you make entertaining content, bro, you'll be fine, bro. Don't drink water in the bro. Come on now. Thank you. I got you. By the way, guys. Matter of fact, before I go to the gym, before you guys get off, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this thumbnail. So I can post the first bootcamp video, so you guys can get started with that one. All right. And then later today, I'm gonna work on the second one. Okay, guys. All right. So I'll come back PM session. Hopefully, if we get this up to play out, guys, mark this out before you guys leave. Working on it. Okay, perfect, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll give you something in return, bro. For a thank you. But yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys hopefully later today. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Have a good one, guys. Peace out. Peace out. And guys, for the people on my YouTube, guys, we managed to get a quick scalp setting, nothing too crazy. It was about 30-ish, 35 points around there, depending on when you guys entered. But yeah, guys, today was a pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie. Today was definitely a pretty good day. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium with 40% or even 50% off, guys, use code 40 for the monthly premium. It's the first link in the description. If you guys want to join the lifetime for 50% off, guys, go ahead and type 50 under the lifetime package and it'll apply the 50% off, guys. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it a live trading session for today. It was a small one. I mean, by small I mean small trade, but hey, we're still green on the day. We're happy with it. All right, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day for you guys, and I'll be back on live tomorrow. All right, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, guys. Peace.